Building a spark-gap Tesla coil can be an electrifying venture, combining the thrill of high voltage with the satisfaction of DIY. First up, consider where you'll showcase your Tesla masterpiece. Larger coils are more dramatic but require careful handling due to heat and air expansion. Decide whether you're assembling from a convenient kit or customizing from scratch for that personal touch. Dive into the jargon: capacitance, the charge-holding hero; primary and secondary coils, where the electric magic happens; and the spark gap, your very own miniature lightning storm. You'll need essentials like PVC pipes for the coil form, copper wire, tape, and basic electronic components like transistors and resistors. Begin by winding hundreds of turns of copper wire for the primary coil around your PVC pipe. For the secondary coil, a few turns will do. Construct your capacitors, perhaps using classic Leyden jars. Link up your components, set your spark gap with precision, and crown your coil with a conductive top load. Remember, safety is paramount. High voltage is no plaything, so handle with care, maintain a safe distance during operation, and steer clear of live components. Curious for more? Detailed guides await to deepen your understanding and refine your build. Dive into the world of Tesla coils, where science meets spectacle. Happy building, and let safety lead the way.